You have a house, but no insurance. You have a car, but no insurance. You have a life, but no insurance. I have ready for you. Last 20 years, we are serving Malayali community in North America. We have several dedicated employees working 24 hours a day. We use technology. We have computer background staffs.
From Malayali communities to American communities, we have 100% customer satisfaction, reliable and dependable services in all over in the United States. Thekkummoottil Insurance Corporation.
Satisfaction guaranteed. And definitely. Now we are covering dog also.